Climate change is one of the biggest problems in the world right now. If we humans don't deal with climate change effectively, we could go extinct as our planet becomes hotter and natural disasters become more frequent. In this video, we'll examine the 13th SDG, climate action, which is all about the impacts of human activities in escalating climate change. We know that climate change and global warming is happening to our planet right now. This is seen from how the global temperature increased by 0.85 degrees Celsius since 1880 to 2012, the melting ice caps, and the increase in the amount of CO2 released in the air. This could cause a lot of problems, including cities suffering from more abnormal weather, ecosystems dying, and human health decline. Basically, if this problem continues on Earth, everything living in it will be in big trouble. As greenhouse emissions increase, abnormal climate patterns will become frequent. This means more storms, floods, and heat waves will cause destruction to humanity. In fact, climate change is one of the biggest, if not the biggest problem to humanity. Even though this problem might seem daunting or impossible to solve, even you can help to combat climate change. Some actions you might consider are creating a software that can calculate the carbon emission of an individual or organization in 1 year, with inputs such as transportation, energy use, consumption habits, waste, and collecting or analyzing data on various samples. You can also analyze trends in climate change, notably temperature rise, and using existing data to project expected future trends, including when the temperature will rise by 1.5 Celsius above pre-industrial revolution levels. You can also spread awareness through creating posters, holding a class debate, discussion on how to combat climate change, creating an educational video and broadcasting it. Below are some guiding questions for you to think about. What does the term carbon footprint represent? Why is it important for your country to reduce its carbon footprint, and how can this be achieved? What are some examples of climate movements taking place in your country? How can the local government further encourage the younger generations to become more engaged and become more conscious towards this global issue? Why are protests effective when rebelling against certain political ideas and perspectives? Since climate change is such a wide topic, here are some subtopics for you to consider. Multiple types of pollution, such as air, water, industrial. Rising sea levels. Ocean acidification. Deforestation. Global warming, and lastly, natural disasters. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos.